Thirsty for Fashion is our exhibition at Killerton House in Devon. As the big wall vinyl shows, the exhibition is about fast fashion and how previous generations recycled and repurposed their clothes. We had the idea of printing on t-shirts and calico, all reusable when the exhibition is over. The team at Killerton invited people to share their stories about favourite clothes and how they've reworked and reworn them, often over many years. The specially designed graphic display labels and numbers are printed on a recyclable card product. And we also made a magnetic jigsaw where you can create your own dazzling new outfit from different bits of clothing.